Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's top stories, an army group from Warrap state has reportedly raided more than 208 of cattle. This happened in Untold State, Mayom County, specifically in Mayom on August 12, 2025. Authorities said no casualties were reported during the incident. However, the raid came just day after the government of South Sudan announced it had successfully disarmed Warrap youth and was moving to disarm youth group in Untold State. This latest cattle raid appeared to be part of ongoing tension between Warrap youth and Mayom County youth, raising concern that disarmament effort may not be fully effective. Local leaders are urging both communities to refrain from violence and resolve disputes through peaceful dialogue. President Kiir on Monday hosted Malik Agar, the deputy chairman of Sudan Sovereign Council, for talk aimed at strengthening bilateral relations between South Sudan and Sudan. According to South Sudanese Foreign Minister Monday Semaya Kumba, the meeting focused on enhancing comprehensive economic and security cooperation between the two countries. The Sudanese delegation also briefed President Kiir on Sudanese current security and economic environment as well as the border region peace context. Minister Kumba reaffirmed South Sudan's commitment to peaceful cooperation and common development, saying, "We assured our brother and sister in Sudan of Juba unwavering commitment to peaceful cooperation and common development." The Sudanese ambassador to South Sudan, Issam Mohamed Hassan Karar, added that Sudan remains committed to enhancing relations with Juba across all sectors. The Speaker of the Transitional National Legislative Assembly, Jema Nunu Kumba, has relieved Edward Apinyi Modesto from his position as legal advisor to the Assembly with immediate effect. The decision, announced on August 6 during the Assembly's fifth sitting of the year, was based on the 2011 Conduct of Business Regulation, amended in 2021, and the Interpretation of Laws and General Provision Act of 2006. In separate directive, Speaker Nunu Kumba appointed Joseph Aliu Chipman as the new legal advisor to Assembly. His appointment is in line with the same regulation, Article 135 and 1 of the Transitional Constitution, and a letter of secondment dated November 19, 2012. And that is all for today news update. For more breaking story from across South Sudan, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Changkuoth Nyak on YouTube, and do not forget to follow me also on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next top story. Bye bye.